Maybe the new Siri AI is showing up on your iPhone, but it's not responding, not hearing your voice, getting stuck loading, or showing errors like something went wrong or please try again. Don't worry, here are the best fixes to get the new Siri AI working again so you can enjoy all the latest Apple Intelligence features. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS 27 version and that you're using a supported model, such as the iPhone 15 Pro or any newer iPhone that supports Apple Intelligence. Next, make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet. Siri requires either Wi-Fi or cellular data to work properly, so check your connection before trying anything else. If Siri is stuck loading, not responding, or showing errors, try force restarting your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After that, go to Settings, then Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, and Open Intelligence in Siri. Make sure all Siri and Apple Intelligence options are set to Allow. Now, go back to Settings, open Siri, and make sure Siri or Hey Siri is turned on. If it's already enabled, turn it off and set it up again from scratch. This refreshes Siri's voice recognition and often fixes problems where Siri doesn't hear or respond to your voice. Also, make sure the side button for Siri option is enabled so you can activate Siri manually. If Siri still isn't recognizing your voice, turn off all Siri options, wait a few seconds, and then turn them back on. You'll be asked to set up voice recognition again, so follow the prompts and speak clearly during setup. If Siri responds but you can't hear anything back, open Siri Responses and select Prefer Spoken Responses. Next, go to Settings, then General, and open Language and Region. Make sure your iPhone language is set to English, United States. Then go back to Siri settings and verify that Siri language is also set to English, United States, since some Apple Intelligence features may not work correctly with other language settings. If nothing else works, the issue may be related to the iOS 27 beta itself. Beta software can have bugs, and some Siri AI features may take time to activate on Apple's servers. In that case, you may need to wait for a newer beta update or an official fix from Apple. Finally, give Siri another try. In most cases, one of these fixes gets the new Siri AI working again. Hope one of these solutions fixed your issue. Let us know in the comments which fix worked for you.